So you guys, I've already moisturized my face with the Farsali's Rolled Gold Elixir, and I love this stuff. I feel like it's really been making a difference in my skin. Like, this stuff is bomb. If you want an updated skincare routine, thumbs up this video because I've been using all different things. So let me know if you want that. And then I just spray my face with this to like hydrate it some. So I'm going to go in with this Fenty Beauty primer, and I really like this. I have been using this for a while. I've had it for a long time and I stopped using it for some reason, and I'm just back on it. I really like it because it's moisturizing and it's pore filling, and I really like this. It's just very nice, and I don't know, I feel like it does kind of make my makeup last. I really like it. And I saw, like, if you have really oily skin or pores and stuff really bad, you can mix this with the foundation. So next I'm going to be using this NARS Soft Matte Cream Concealer in Hazelnut. I freaking live by this concealer. It is so bomb. And I'm just going to take a little brush. I got this from Marshall's, like a concealer brush. And I just dig in the pot, and I'm just going to put this on the areas that I need it. A little bit, and then I'm just going to take this MAC 130 brush and just blend this in, because like I want to just have like light coverage. And this is just like really easy. Now if I really had like breakouts and stuff or wanted full coverage, I would put this all over my face, but I just really wanted to just cover up my blemishes. And this like color, because it's more, has like reddish undertones, it's gonna cancel out the dark spots. And then you'll see right now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and conceal under my eyes and kind of like highlight and even things out, because this concealer doesn't match me fully. So I'm just going to take this up, and this is going to give me more coverage too. Guys, I'm really trying to not buy new makeup. It is so hard. I want that new NARS foundation so bad, but I'm trying to stay strong and use up makeup, but I want that NARS foundation. That just gave me coverage like the days. Then I'm just going to take this little brush from Sephora. I think it's like a concealer or eyeshadow brush. And because I have not been getting my eyebrows done, if you know, I'll probably end up doing a story time. I was like severely burned, and I'm just afraid to get my eyebrows done. And then my eyebrows are super thick. Okay, yes. So then I'm just going to contour, and I actually can't even deny, I really like the Kim K contour sticks and highlight, and I'm gonna like highlight a little bit under my eye because this just brightens things up a bit, and just bring it on my nose. Like, I actually like, besides like, and only one of mine are broken, only one of my little things are broken, so I actually really like it for some reason. just going to use this to contour a little bit, really to warm my face up. And I'm just going to put that there, because these are just so creamy. And I love the Fenty Beauty one, but that one, like, if you're literally in a rush, that would take forever to blend, like. And this just blends out. It's so easily. Going to take this Fenty Beauty Universal Pro Filter Powder, and I'm just going to dip my sponge in there and kind of set my face. And set my T-zone. I feel like using a sponge sometimes is better, and I'm just gonna like go in the areas. I know I look like white right now, but we're about to brush it away. And let's do some eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, you guys know this is about to be like a little struggle, but I'm still using my dip brow. I need to get a new eyebrow pencil. I'm trying to decide which one I should get. Comment below, because I'm like, I have a love-hate relationship with Benefit. I love the Anastasia ones, but I always end up using them. So like, what's a good brow pencil? So I'm just going to continue to fill them in. And I literally, I follow my natural shape and just fill it in so they just don't look crazy. And I don't do this on a daily basis. I do this like makeup if I just need to go somewhere quickly and I want to look cute. I actually wore this to meet my ex-boyfriend, like legit. This man was begging to see me, literally wanted to just physically see me, you guys, physically see me. I was like, what the heck, what the heck, like, didn't say anything, and like nothing, didn't say anything. He was just like, I wanted to see you. I wanted to see what you were gonna wear, what you were gonna look like. I was like, if this is not some crazy stalker mess, like, freaking crazy. And that's why we're not together. Because crazy and crazy don't mix. So I'm just gonna set my eyebrows with this MAC brow set in clear. Ooh, yes, my eyebrows look so much better. Like, I promise you, concealer like literally saves lives. Like, concealer be saving my life. Okay, so then lastly, I'm gonna take this is the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops, and I freaking, these, you guys, are so good. You literally just need the smallest amount of this, like the smallest, because these little things are potent. So I'm just gonna like put some on my sponge. You guys, too, Gucci Mane's book, I finished so many books over Christmas break and like winter break from school. and I read so many good books. I want to do a book review, I guess, video, or book books that you should try, books that you should purchase. And I'm actually I'm doing like the wait with Megan, what's her husband's last name? What's her new last name? Well, Megan Good and her husband, I'm reading their book and it's really good. I'm already like waiting anyway, but like this book just like helps you motivate to wait longer, and just like it explains things and applies it to your life and makes it like easier. So yeah, celibacy is the key to success. You know. So next I am going to add a little bit of blush. This is the NARS. I don't think you can get this though. Goog. This is like when you hit BIB Rouge, you get this. And I lost my sample of Orgasm, and I'm just gonna end up buying Orgasm. And just put a little bit, nothing major. And then my favorite part, I'm going to highlight with Fenty Beauty's Mean Money Kilowatt. I'm going to spray my brush, lid brush like this, little fan brush. Got this at Marshall's. I freaking love Marshall's and TJ Maxx. Like, you can get everything. I got this Kate Spade planner for school, and I freaking love it. It's like an astrology horoscope one, and ooh, let's come through. And if you guys could recommend me a mascara, I do not wear mascara, but I've been putting castor oil on my lashes and they're like growing, and I want to see how they, look. So let me know a good mascara. I'm sorry I'm like talking crazy and hyper in this video. I haven't filmed in a minute, but I missed you guys and I wanted to film. And oh, let me get my phone, because one of my subscribers from Paris messaged me on Instagram and DM me about like sneakers and stuff, and I want to like shout you out and say your name, so hold on. Nelly_HH, if you're watching this. Hey boo. Hey in Paris. I actually love Paris. I went for like a couple years ago for a graduation present, and I freaking loved it. And shout out to you, Lindsay. I love you, girl. Out in Holland, living your best life, moving in with your boyfriend. Love you, girl. So yeah, we can like, I really want to be friends with you guys. So if you want like DM me on Instagram and stuff, I will respond to you. Like, I will respond, and most of the time I do follow people back. Like, once I realize you're my subscriber, I'll follow you back. So yeah, I like want us to be friends and build a family, and like, recommend each other products and just like help each other grow, So that is my finished makeup. I'm going to spray my face. I think that, it looks pretty bomb and natural. That's what I'm going for. And then I did buy the Fenty lipsticks. If you want me to like do a video on them, I will. I bought 5 of them. I bought the ones I would actually wear and liked. So if you want a video on that, I will. But everybody did videos on that, so I didn't really think I needed to. But I really like PMS. I've been wearing that nonstop. So I use it as a liner to... I can get this open. I use it as a liner. So I just like line... Like, I love this formula so much. And then I just do a line there. Like, I look like a little, what is it called? I can't think of the name, and I don't want to offend anybody. But you know the line, and it's like, not a boricua. I can't think. Boricua, borera, me. If you know that song, you're cool. And then I just blot it some, and then I'm gonna put this Fenty gloss on top of it, and I just like use it to give me some color, and I really like how it looks on top of this. I think it's fire. And yeah, so you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and this is like an easy makeup routine. I feel like this video is kind of long, but it was because I was talking because I missed you guys. But yeah, this is like what I do, literally just concealer, and I fill in my eyebrows a little bit and put some powder, but super easy. And let me know any video requests that you want to see. I am going to be doing a favorites video next because I have a lot of favorites, and I'm like obsessed with those a lot of the sneakers that I got during Christmas time on Black Friday too. So yeah. So you guys, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I was like rambling and talking a lot, but I missed making videos and filming for you guys and talking to you guys. Let me know any video requests that you would like down below in the comments. Please like and thumbs up this video. Remember to spread love and positivity and to drink water. I hope you guys have a great new year, and help all your dreams come true, and like you reach your goals and your resolutions. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Remember, subscribe because I am a unicorn and I will hunt you down and I will find you. Bye you guys.